Hello guys, welcome back. This is going to be our first project based on all the learning from the previous videos. We are going to create a list to view a few names, and the user can select their favorite names and view them separately in a new page. Let's get started. We'll delete all the code. We'll create a stateful widget and name it homepage. The build function will return a scaffold widget and an app bar with a title favorite app. And for the body, let it be null for now. The app is completely empty now. We need to generate a list view. For that, let's build a function. It will return a list view, hence the return type will be widget. We'll return list view builder. For the count, let it be 15. For the builder function, that is what each item in list should view. We are going to create a new widget. Let's call it single tile and pass the text value based on the index value. Now we'll create the single tile function, with the return type being widget, as it's going to return a list tile. The title will be the passed text value. We want icon to be present. For that, we can use the trailing property and add an icon. We'll use the favorite icon in red color. Now we'll add the getNames function in the body. We can see the list containing text values and icon. The font size is a bit small. Let's add a style property to the text and add the font size. Now it's a bit better. Now we'll move to interactions. First we need to create a map to store all the favorite strings. For the user interactions we can use the onTap property. The function gets called on click. We need a boolean to check if the current text value is present in the saved names. Now we can call the setState function and add the logic. If it is saved we need to remove it from the map. And if it's not saved we'll add it. For the visual, we can use the isSaved boolean and change the icon and the color value based on that. Now we can see the app that on click the icon turn red and reverses on further click. Now that we have all the favorite names, we need to show that to the users. For that head on to the app bar and add the action property. Inside that add an icon button. onPress property decides the function to be called, and the icon decides for the icon to be displayed. We'll use the list icon. Now we'll create the function to navigate to a new page. The return type will be void. Using the navigator we'll push a new route. That is material page route. Now we'll create the builder function. First we need to extract all the string values from the map and create list tile from that. We'll check if the favos is empty. If it's empty, we need to return empty widget list, else we would get an error. If it's not empty, we need to divide the tiles and convert them to a list. Finally, we'll return the scaffold widget with the app bar title. And the body with list view and the children would be the all favos variable. There's an error. Okay, I forgot to add a semicolon. Don't forget add the commas and semicolons. Let's check on the app. If we click on the list, it gets added to the favorites, and when we click on the list icon, we can view all the favorites names. If we unfavorite them, the page is empty. That's it for the video. If you found the videos useful, like and subscribe.